In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 25H2 update failed to install. First, go to CMD, type in CMD and then run as administrator. And then type in the following command. So enter this command, and then hit enter. Hit enter. Just wait for it to finish. This will scan your entire computer and look for errors and issues and fix it. Now, once it finished running, go ahead and type this command here, and then go ahead and click enter. So click enter again. Okay. Now just let it run. Make sure it finished running. Now, once it finished running, you can close the window and go ahead and restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, go ahead, go to Windows Explorer, go to this PC, and then go to local disk, and then click on view, click on hidden items. This should show you, okay, sorry, I'm going to do it again. Click on view, and then click on show, and then hidden items. Make sure it is ticked. And then it might show you a folder that says $Windows-BT. Go ahead inside that folder and delete the file that is inside of it. For me, it's not going to show here, but that's fine. So now, next we have to open the search and then type in settings, then go to system, and then go to recovery, and then click on fix problems using Windows Update. Click reinstall now, and then make sure to check automatically restart my computer, and then click OK. Now this should fix all of your update issues, and you should be able to update your Windows with no problems. That's pretty much it for the video, and thanks for watching.